you're thinking about buying an e-mountain bike, or specifically a Haibike Alltrack 6, this video is for you. Or if you've just got one with a Yamaha motor and you're not quite sure how the side switch works, this video is also for you. I've owned the Alltrack 6 now for several months. I've ridden it for about 350 miles. So yeah, I've got a bit of experience about it. So this is going to give you a bit more depth into what the components are on it and how it all works. So how do you control this beast? Well, the Yamaha Side Switch, which is on the left hand side of the handlebars, has two buttons on the top. One's an up button and a down button, and plus a main display screen, of course. And there's also three small buttons from left to right on the front: a walking button, lights if they're connected, and the on-off button. So the display shows battery level, speed in miles per hour, range and power settings. Pressing the top button increases the power setting to high, and the lower button reduces the power setting from high to standard to eco to plus eco. Notice how the range changes with different power settings. So this lets you know at all times how many more miles you can go at different power settings. If all that is too complicated, just holding the top button for a couple of seconds puts the bike into auto mode. So the bike will know whenever you're trying to pedal harder, it will give you more assist. And if you're pedaling softer, it gives you less assist. So the power increase to help you out. Holding the bottom button down for a couple of seconds changes the display from range to total miles the motor has travelled to the trip miles. Holding both buttons down together will reset the trip display to 0. The first front button is a helpful walk assist button to help you move the bike when pushing it up slopes or steps. It's quite a heavy bike, so it's really quite handy when you're just getting off the bike to push it around. So really there's only one thing left to do. Let's just get out and about on your bike, and hopefully we'll see you zooming up some hills on your pedal assisted e-bike. See you soon.